Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to enable passcode lock in CoinStats. To enable passcode lock in CoinStats, first of all, open your CoinStats application. Make sure that you are logged into your account, and once you are in the home page, tap on the More button at the bottom right hand corner. Within the More menu, scroll down and tap on Settings. From the Settings tab, find the Passcode Lock option and tap on it. Now, you will be able to see this interface. Choose which part of the application you want to be locked by tapping on it from the bottom. And then, if you want to lock portfolio only, make sure to tap on portfolio only. If you want to lock your entire application, simply select entire application. Now, you can toggle on the button right next to require passcode if you want to turn on passcode. If you want to turn on Face ID lock feature, you can tap on the require Face ID toggle button. Since we are trying to lock with a passcode, let's tap on require passcode button. Now enter a passcode for your wallet. Confirm your passcode once again, and you will be able to turn on the require passcode option. Now, once you go ahead and close off your wallet and try to get back to it again, you will be required to enter the passcode to unlock your whole wallet or your portfolio page according to your selection. That is how you can easily enable passcode lock feature on CoinStats mobile app. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.